Welcome to V.I Tech Academy, where accessibility meets innovation.
Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you are doing great. And welcome back to another video of V.I Tech Academy. Guys, one of the most demand feature or demand service in the blind community is text to audio converter. And I have made few videos about few tools with the help of which you can convert any text to audio files. Like you can use ElevenLabs, you can use some other tools like Microsoft Voices to convert the text files to audio files. But directly you cannot do. Sometimes you need to use some tricks and tips. Sometimes you get video and then you need to convert that video to audio. To solve all this problem, today I have one amazing application with you. To solve all of these problems, I have one amazing application for you. And not only this, you can convert any number of text to audio using any TTS you want, any type of voice you want. So if you are interested to learn more, to know about this application and the tool, please watch this video till the end. So guys, the tool name is Tech Freedom. Yes, in Tech Freedom now you will get the service text to audio. And not only this, past few days I'm creating videos on Tech Freedom's new launched feature or new released features. They are very powerful and your daily requirement. So today I'll show you how you can use text to audio feature of Tech Freedom. Before starting the video, I would like to tell you one thing. Guys, as you know that Super Summer Sale is going on. Here you will get amazing discount on our two courses, mainly Advanced Excel and WordPress, as well as we will start our Art of Sound Designing course with Reaper with 20% discount. So those who are interested to learn sound designing, those who are interested to learn Advanced Excel, those who are interested to learn web designing but fear of coding, they can join our WordPress for Beginners course. So hurry up, because the Super Summer Sale is going to expire soon and it might not come in the future. So what are you waiting for? Visit the website from the about page of our channel and join now. Or you can visit our official WhatsApp and Telegram channel for more details. Links are given in the video description below. If you did not use Tech Freedom yet, just go and use, because in Tech Freedom you will get 15 plus features including document reader, instant reader, image reader, image creator, image description, video description, notepad, translator, link saver and much more. So guys, let me open the Tech Freedom application.
Tech Freedom. Tech Freedom. 6 new features are available. Learn more button. OK.
Just
button.
click on OK.
Tech Freedom.
And now I'm swiping left to right to find the feature text to audio.
Up more. Color detector button. Current of document AP. Image reader. Instant link saver. My player. Navigation. Muse. But notepad. Object detect. Password saver. Scene descript. Text to audio. Text to audio button.
Yes, this is text to audio. So let me open this.
Text to audio. Showing English India QWERTY.
Now when you open this, the keyboard will open in front of you. Here you can type the text. So let me paste one text.
Actions. Paste. Pasted. Welcome to V.I Tech.
So this
Provider,
text I have
heading.
pasted. See.
Provider. Heading. Editing. Welcome to V.I Tech Academy, India's first fully digital e-learning platform for visually impaired. Here, V.I stands for visually impaired, and we provide tech education, so V.I Tech Academy refers to visually impaired.
Okay.
Provider. Heading.
So now it will ask you to choose the
Keyboard
provider.
hidden. Drop down menu. Provider.
So here you will get 4 providers: Google's online cloud voices, Microsoft Voices, ElevenLabs and your local TTS. So let me just choose one.
Drop down menu provider. Pop up win. ElevenLabs, Google Cloud Online.
ElevenLabs, Google Cloud.
Microsoft TTS Online.
Microsoft TTS.
Local offline.
Local.
Google ElevenLabs Online.
So I'm choosing ElevenLabs.
Text, voice. Drop down menu, voice.
Next, based on your provider, you can choose the voice.
Pop, Adam, male.
Adam, male.
Alice, female.
Alice.
Anthony, male.
Anthony.
Arnold, male. Bill, male. Brian, male. Callum, male. Charlie, male.
Okay, so
Charlotte, female. Chris, male.
Chris.
Clyde, male. Daniel, male. Dave, male. Dorothy, female. Domi, female.
Okay.
Dorothy, female. Domi, female. Drew, male. Dorothy, female.
So let's choose this Dorothy's voice.
Text to audio.
And then
Generate button.
click on generate. So after clicking on generate, the audio will be generated and you will get the result. Automatically it will start playing using my player. So guys, let me generate that.
Loading.
So guys, the audio has been generated successfully. Now see,
Play button.
here you will get play button,
Save button.
and save button. So we can click on play button to play the audio, and you can save the audio also. Okay, so let me play it first. প্লে বাটনে ক্লিক করার পরে কিন্তু অ্যাড আসতে পারে, যদি অ্যাড আসে তাহলে তো কেটে দিতে হবে, যদি অ্যাড না আসে তাহলে ঠিক আছে। সো লেট মি ক্লিক অন প্লে বাটন।
Play. My player. Loading.
By 2021,
Install.
we had launched our own online courses, Basics of Audio Editing,
My player.
and HTML.
60%.
Although we faced challenges and couldn't continue these courses, we didn't give up.
11
In 2022, we crafted a comprehensive course on basic to advanced.
So guys, you already hear the audio which we have generated using the TF text to audio feature. Now instead of this ElevenLabs, you can generate voice using Google Cloud, whatever you choose. So this is completely your choice, and you can use this application completely free or paid, whatever you want. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, please like the video and share this video with your loved ones. That's it guys for the video. See you in the next tutorial soon. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, and don't forget to subscribe if you did not yet. Bye bye.